For our solution labs, we are going to distinguish between saturated, unsaturated, and supersaturated solutions. And for this, we're going to start with 2.7 grams of anhydrous sodium sulfate. I've got that measured out right here, and we're going to add it to 12.8 milliliters of distilled water. We're going to combine them in one of the large test tubes and use a number 4 stopper to cap it and shake it up. From there, we're going to be manipulating it to see whether it's saturated, unsaturated, or supersaturated at different temperatures and conditions. For our first test, it just asks us to mix the 2.7 grams with the 12.8 milliliters of water, shake it well, and to describe the contents of the test tube. So I've done that over here. If you look at the contents of the test tube, you can see there is some undissolved solute on the bottom. And that is a dead giveaway for whether this is currently saturated, unsaturated, or supersaturated. For the second phase, we remove the stopper, and now we're going to heat it over a flame, pointing it away from ourselves, until all of the solute has dissolved. There you can see we have a clear solution with no solute in it anymore. While it's still hot, this is still part of phase 2, I'm going to add a little bit more solute and see what happens. Give it a little swirl. All of the additional solute has dissolved. The fact that all the additional solute has dissolved is a key for understanding what state it is during phase 2. For the third and final phase of this lab, we've removed the stopper, we've set it in an ice bath for 5 minutes, and now we're going to add a little bit more of the solute and see what happens.